Welcome back to GT Auto, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, the ultimate performance machine from Chevy. If you're a fan of muscle cars or just love high-performance vehicles, this one is bound to grab your attention. Chevy has given this car a more aggressive stance, enhancing its aerodynamic profile with new elements that not only look amazing, but also improve performance. The front features a bold, wider grille, flanked by sharper LED headlights, giving it a more menacing look. You'll also notice the front splitter and hood vents, which aren't just for show. The 2025 Camaro ZL1 is an absolute monster on the road. Under the hood, it packs a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that churns out a jaw-dropping 755 horsepower and 715 lp-ft of torque. This power is paired with a 7-speed manual transmission or an optional 10-speed automatic transmission, giving you the choice of how involved you want to be in the driving experience. Either way, this car offers neck-breaking acceleration, reaching 0-60 mph in just around 3 seconds. Inside the cabin, Chevrolet has crafted a driver-focused environment that's both functional and high. The 2025 Camaro ZL1's interior exudes a blend of performance and luxury. You're greeted by premium leather upholstery with optional Alcantara accents for that extra sporty feel. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 starts at around $85,000, which is a premium price for a performance car. But it's hard to argue with the sheer value you're getting for the price. The 2025 Camaro ZL1 is a striking sight on the road. The ZL1 also comes with a massive rear spoiler that's designed to increase downforce, ensuring this car stays glued to the road during high-speed runs. The ZL1's wide body makes a strong statement, and its low profile exudes performance. The cockpit-style design places everything you need within easy reach, from the steering wheel-mounted controls to the responsive touchscreen in the center console. The 8-inch touchscreen is part of the Chevy Infotainment 3 system, which is intuitive and easy to use, offering features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The Camaro ZL1 also features a performance-tuned suspension and massive Brembo brakes, allowing it to corner with incredible precision and stop on a dime. There are options to increase the price, with available carbon fiber packages, premium interior features, and advanced technology. But even at the base price, the ZL1 delivers an incredible driving experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is a car that's built to thrill. It combines extreme performance with sharp looks and a driver-focused interior. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts on the 2025 Camaro ZL1 in the comments below. See you next time.